Hey friends, the channel has reached 10,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. I decided to make this video now in this way because I am at home. I am not in my studio because of this COVID-19 lockdown. It will be a memory. When I look up in future, I will find this video and I will see how I am sitting over here and how the whole world suffered due to the coronavirus pandemic. But in between that sad news, there is some good news for me and my total stock photography community. Thank you for being in my side. Thank you for believing in me. Thank you for believing in yourself. So please, please, please keep believing in yourself, keep supporting, keep clicking and keep uploading so that we can together earn a lot of money and have some good passive income. So thanks again, thanks a lot for this 10,000 subscribers. I have so many friends who chat with me daily. There are friends who have been with me since I had 100 subscribers and they still interact with me. This feels great. I make new friends every day, but I never forget those old friends who have been with me in this journey all along. So thanks again, bye and take care.